Hi, I'm Brian Lee. Thank you for purchasing Gage Bilt tools. Today this video will illustrate the simplicity and ease on bleeding Gage Bilt tools. Filling and bleeding is done in two steps. The first step, filling, is only necessary if you have dismantled and reassembled your tool. If you have not dismantled your tool, you will only need to follow step 2 of this video.
Put the piston rod wrench into top of handle, pushing firmly down until completely in the down position. Fill oil passage and reservoir with automatic transmission fluid Dextron 3 or equivalent. The reservoir is the area surrounding the power cylinder when looking at the top of handle. The oil passage is the hole that has a counter bore for the S832 O-ring. Do not overfill, causing oil to get into air passage. Replace O-ring and gasket. Assembling cylinder head, you will need to apply Loctite 242 and torque the 4 button head cap screws uniformly to 40 inch-pounds to prevent leakage around the gasket. Step 2. Bleeding. Disconnect air supply. Remove bleeder screw and stato seal on the side of cylinder head. Install air bleeder bottle 704153. Then connect air supply. Cycle 10 to 20 times to fully circulate fluid through hydraulic system. Disconnect air supply from tool. Remove air bleeder bottle. Reinstall screw and stato seal. Reconnect air supply, then cycle tool 10 more times. In every manual is an illustration of the correct return and pull position of the piston. We recommend using a pair of dial calipers here. With trigger release, check A dimension. Holding trigger in, check B dimension. These dimensions should check within 1/32 of an inch.
This completes the filling and bleeding on Gage Bilt tools. With the bleeding procedure as fast and easy as this was, you can see where Gage Bilt tools will save you time. Again, thank you for buying Gage Bilt tools.